Hi, this is Eve from DetoxTheBodyMCS.com. Also on Facebook as Detoxing the Body and Help for Multiple Chemical Sensitivity. So I developed chemical sensitivity and learned a lot about toxins, so I want to share it for people who do have chemical sensitivity and everyone else who doesn't. So one of the most incredibly bothersome things when you all of a sudden are sensitized to chemicals and you can smell the chemicals in all of the products is shampoo and laundry detergent and body wash and also perfume. So I just want to talk a little bit about why having a non-toxic shampoo and laundry detergent is so important. For one, so we wash our hair with shampoo, and that shampoo is right next to our face and we're breathing it in 24 hours a day. And like all scented shampoo those are like toxic scents, except for a few really nice ones that make natural scents, but for the most part it's very toxic chemicals. So when you're breathing this in, it's going into your lungs, it's going into your bloodstream, and your nose is right next to your brain, so when you breathe things in, it goes right into your brain, many of those chemicals. That's why people snort cocaine and don't take a cocaine pill. Hopefully you never did that, but so it goes right into the brain. It's also the principle of why aromatherapy works, or breathing in, a beautiful plant, like it gives you this well-being smell. So actually breathing in toxins gives you a not well-being, even if you don't notice it. I notice a lot of people, they have a lot of like strong laundry detergent or hair, stuff, and they're not feeling well, they're anxious, they're depressed, and little do they know that could have a lot to do with it. It could have everything to do with it. It might not be related, but generally these things are going to like irritate your system. Your body recognizes a toxin as like a threat, so your flight or fight response, your stress response kind of goes off in your head, and that kind of makes you generally more nervous and more tense. Also, a lot of these chemicals are neurotoxic, which means they're toxic to your nervous system, which means they're toxic to your brain, your thoughts. Many people are experiencing brain fog, forgetfulness, irritability, depression, anxiety. Most people, basically. And we all think it's from the stress of life, but a lot of it is also just from the toxins we're breathing in on an hourly basis. So, yeah, like I don't have chemical sensitivity anymore, but still, like the smell of Pantene, I just find so nasty. Like, it's one of the stronger ones. The more commercial ones, they're so bad. Like, especially if somebody has long hair, and it's like wafting through the air. And the commercial is supposed to make us think that that's sexy, it makes us feel good, but really it kind of makes you feel a little irritable even if you don't notice it. The other thing is laundry detergent. So there are all these toxins in laundry detergent just the same way, especially with the scented, especially anything to do with Febreze, Tide, fabric softeners, so toxic. And you're sleeping on your pillow at night, all night long, taking toxins into your bloodstream. This is not really desirable in any way, besides all of the neurotoxins. They cause cancer, endocrine disruptors, it messes up your hormones, causing obesity, erectile dysfunction, everything. These chemicals are going right into our blood, especially the ones you're sleeping on too, and the ones in your clothes. So skin, they also have these patches now for painkillers, and they're even better than taking the pills. Why? Because it goes directly, things that you put on your skin go into your bloodstream. These things are not studied or tested by the FDA because it's not considered an issue. The issue is considered if you're ingesting something, but ingesting chemicals is actually a little safer, I believe, because your liver and your other organs are sort of processing the chemicals. But when it's going right into your brain, right into your skin, your liver and your kidneys and everything aren't really like protecting your body so much from the toxins. So please find non-toxic shampoo and non-toxic laundry detergent. You can just actually wash your clothes with baking soda. There's a lot of non-toxic products out there. You can use a little, Dr. Bronner's. I have some products on my website, or I should soon anyway. I don't have like super chemical sensitivity anymore, and there's different levels. So, if you have a very severe chemical sensitivity, you have to be much more careful. But there are a lot of products that are fine. I really like the olive oil soap. I like instead of perfume, just for some natural oils, and there actually are natural perfumes out there. But if you have chemical sensitivity or friends with it, you don't want to use that, even because it's just not, generally it can be, people get so sensitive that they don't need to be smelling in a lot of things. So there's a huge situation with the fragrances, with the chemical smells, with the floor cleaners. So just protect yourself, protect your children, protect your loved ones, and just buy everyone some non-toxic laundry detergent, some non-toxic shampoo, and the world will be a lot smarter, a lot happier, and a lot more pleasant. Let's see, I guess that's all I have to say, but basically it's just something you don't think about. But those of us who had gotten chemical sensitivity, our sensitivity to chemicals is raised 100 to 500 or more percent, so we can smell everything, and we know how toxic stuff is. You don't realize it until something like that happens to you. So it's much nicer to just use the non-toxic, and that's going to make your whole environment better. Well, actually, I see girls sometimes with asthma, and they don't realize that even just breathing in your own shampoo can hurt your lungs. It's a lung irritant. Your lungs want to breathe in oxygen. They want to breathe in natural plants and beautiful things. They don't really want to breathe in chemicals. Any chemical you're breathing in or taking into your body is not beneficial unless it's some kind of medicine that helps you when you're sick. And even then, those are kind of far and few between, but some are very helpful. Otherwise, it's totally not necessary. Spend the $2, $3 more for your shampoo, or make your own shampoo. There's tons of videos out there to tell you how to make your own shampoo, your own soap, and you can buy some on my website in the future when I put them up. So just letting you know, it's probably one of the healthiest things you can do. One of the very best detoxes is just switch your shampoo and your laundry detergent, your soap, and your perfume, and your body wash. People don't realize that, putting body wash on your body is, you're just putting chemicals all over your body. That's pretty much what the stuff is made out of. And even laundry detergent, what's a dryer sheet? A dryer sheet is chemicals on a piece of paper. So what you're doing is you're just coating your clothes in chemicals, and are they softer? I stopped using it a long time ago, and my clothes feel about the same. And they do make natural ones, but a lot of it's just advertising and very unnecessary. Okay, hit like if you like this video, share it with your friends. It would be great to have a world, where we can all breathe easy and live in this more naturally smelling way. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.